Testing a Gottlieb System 3 driver board, and I have removed the transistor where the gold stripe is and replaced it with a new one. The original was a 12N10L, and I replaced those with IRL 540s. Completely replaceable part, and I've got my Silver Slugger MPU booted up, and we're in lamp check. And you can see that all the lamps are being driven correctly from this board. And let's see if I can press the next button, which is solenoid test. And I may have just run out of hands here because I have to press the credit button at the same time. Well, credit button to actuate a coil. And let's see. I've got, every time I'm pressing, what I've got is the credit button on my hacked on thing here. It's advancing the coil thing, or the coil count, or it's decrementing the coil count, so it thinks that's the left flipper button, which is okay. Now I gotta figure out how to get the credit button to fire here. And I'm gonna have to rewire this. All right, we're back in solenoid test now, and I've just rewired or connected my old test setup here. So I press this button, that's the credit button. And you can see that's solenoid 1, right flipper 2, right flipper 3. I just passed the one that I replaced, but I want to make sure that all these coils are working. So it looked like this one, I'll have to figure out which one that was. It was not operating. Let me come back around. Whoops. Okay. Oh, it's a coin meter coil. So they're not going to fire that one in test because it's the coin counter, at least for Silver Slugger. So that's okay here. So I have shown that the lamp matrix and the coils are all driven correctly from this board. And I thank you so much for sending them. And here I have replaced the trim pot on this System 3 power supply with a nice one that I picked up from Ed at Great Plains Electronics quite some time ago, and set it to a comfortable 5.10 2 volts DC.